slabs, a lot of times you run into a situation where you need to pull a unit out.
Yes.
We have products that have high tone distribution, a lot of color to them. And you stand back and look at that couple thousand square foot of area and say, I want a little bit darker over there and I want a little lighter over here. I want to mix things up.
Yeah, my guys love it when I do that now, just so you know. They really,
Well,
really
this is going to make
appreciate
their
it.
lives a lot easier. It's a slab extractor.
Okay.
Quick, easy. Give me a hand here. 2 people. He'll pinch it. We'll grab it. We'll remove that unit safely. Set it aside. Put the darker or lighter unit in. And then we'll simply set that unit back into place. And I think with slab installations, a lot of times these hand tools are overlooked. With big units, well, there's big adjustments that need to be made. That's why I like this adjustment bar. It makes it so easy to stick this into the joint between the units and shift large sheets of pavement at one time to get my lines just perfect. And if I've got more persuasion that needs done, I've got the Paver Persuader.
The Paver Persuader,
and
I love it.
you can see that angle tip. And the reason is, as opposed to leaning your boot over the edge, which we've seen too much, all you have to do is make that adjustment very quickly. Here's another great one. This is a Paver Splitter. Not a Paver Splitter, but a Slab Splitter, which is just enormous units and being able to cut them with one person, early in the morning, late in the evening, no noise, we're not running any motors, right? So we can use that, we can do it safely and no dust.
This looks just like my wall splitter, but is this really going to work on the slab, Pete?
Well, let's take a look. You want to give me a little adjustment here? Let me see how much I need. I want to be at 45. Give me a couple more. Okay, maybe a little bit more than that. You want it at about 45. These carbide blades, they really will bite into that unit. Yeah, that's where I want to be. And now I don't want to put all my weight on it and split it. I want to get those blades biting into that unit. So I'm going to put some pressure, and you can see the integrity of the products that we produce. And you can see what a great cut. No dust.
Beautiful.
Safe. You mentioned the no one's in the emergency room. What a great unit for that.